Hi, in this video, we will show you the basics of algebra.
You must read along yourself, because it helps you to remember. The word algebra comes from the Arabic ALGEBRA. From the book, The Science of Restoring and Balancing, by the Persian mathematician Al-Khwarizmi.
The cool thing is, algebra makes math easy.
You take big numbers and turn them into small letters.
Algebra is easy with a little practice. Please subscribe so we can feed the cat.
Learn. Repeat. Test yourself.
So, what does algebra do?
Here is a reminder. X means 4 times x. 2ab means 2 times a times b.
1/4 of x means x divided by 4.
X squared means x times x. X cubed means x times x times x.
And finally, 3x plus y means 3 times x plus y.
Your turn. Are you ready? Shout the answer when you know it.
How did you do? We explained the basics, gave examples and exercises.
Do you want to do even better? Join us and subscribe. Thank you.